guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make custom moodlets to help with storytelling in The Sims. I've seen many people over on Twitter using these and it took me a while to figure out how they were making them, so I thought I'd make a tutorial for anyone else who needs it. All credit goes to this creator for making the templates. I'm just going to be explaining how to edit them and give some tips. Also, any links that you need for making these I'll leave in the description down below. So first of all, what you're going to do is once you're on this page, you're going to open this and you're going to download whichever one you want. So say for example you want to do a moodlet in particular, you just download this one. But what I did is I downloaded this package, it just has all of them. So once you've downloaded that, what you're going to do is head over to Photopea. This is what we're going to be using to edit everything. Just press on open from computer and then go ahead and find wherever you saved your file and open that up. So once you've opened it up, this is what it should look like. There's just going to be instructions on the screen and obviously you can read through those, but I am just going to be going through how I personally do it. First things first, we're going to get rid of these instructions off of the screen. How you do that is come over here and you'll basically just untoggle these and then it'll be gone. What we're going to be doing next is toggle on moodlet. You can do this for any other one that you want to make, but we're going to be focusing on moodlet. Once you've toggled that on, this should come up, but obviously we're not going to keep this, we're going to change it up. A very helpful thing about this is you don't have to just make custom ones, you can also remake ones that are already in the game. This especially helps when it comes to quality, because you can screenshot a moodlet in your game, but when you try and also get rid of like the background, it might not stay as good as quality as if you did it this way. So this is also good for just copying a moodlet from the game and typing out here. So that's what I'm going to do as an example. Also, I don't feel like being super creative right now and making up a new moodlet. Moving on to the Sims fandom wiki. This is really helpful when it comes to deciding on the effects a moodlet will give and also the duration of it. Okay, you can do this for any of them, but I've just gone through and picked out a random one. So the one I'm going to be doing is Interest in Flick, because who doesn't love a good movie? So what you're going to do is copy the name of the moodlet and then head back over to Photopea, and you're just going to double click here and then you're going to highlight the name and then you're just going to paste it. It's as easy as that. And then you're going to go back to the wiki and then this is what it's from, so you're going to copy that as well, and then you're going to just highlight this and then you're going to paste. And there we go, we're already making progress. So what you're going to do is just keep going back and forth, copying and pasting stuff, or obviously if you're making your own, you're just going to fill it in. I just completely delete this. I don't really use it, but obviously if you want to keep it, you can keep it. You may notice that the box is quite big compared to the actual amount of text. This took me a while to figure out how to do it because I don't know how to use editing apps like this at all, but it's actually quite easy. What you're going to want to do if you want to make the box smaller is you'll just select the background, you'll press this, and then make sure you untick this, otherwise it's not gonna look how you want it to look. Once you've unchecked that, you're gonna hover over the height like this, and you're just gonna move it to the left so it goes upwards, and then once you get to where you want it to be, just let go. And then obviously we're going to have to move this up, but you can just kind of move it there. And you may be thinking, this icon doesn't really match the mood, which it doesn't, to be quite honest. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below, so we're going to head over to this website where you can download a bunch of icons. What I love most about these is there's icons from pretty much every expansion pack, which can be really good when it comes to making specific moodlets. But this is the one I'm going to be downloading, so I can use this icon. So just go ahead and download that. It is going to be a zip file, but obviously you just extract the zip file wherever you saved it or wherever you want to save the icons. You could make a new folder for all the icons, it could be a good idea. Going back to Photopea, you're going to want to make sure you've selected the icon over here, and then what you're going to do is right click on it, go up to Smart Object, and then click Replace Contents, and it's going to open up your files, and you're going to find the icon you want to use and just select that, open it up, and there it is. This is more or less a moodlet done, but personally I prefer this to be a bit in center like that. You can just move it about and do whatever you want with it to make it look just how you want it to look. One more thing I'm going to do before I end this tutorial is I'm going to show you how to change the color of the moodlet. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is toggle on the mood color reference down here. You can just move it out of the way a bit. Then you're going to want to change from this tool on this side down to this one, the rectangle. and then you're going to select the mood bar over here, and up here you should see it's gone to the same color as this. So you're going to drop down here, and then you're going to click here, and here you can see this is the gradient that's showing on the mood bar. First you're going to click over here, and then click here. And what you're going to do, say for example, let's pretend that the movie was really boring, right? Basically you're just going to want to click on the color of whichever mood you want the moodlet to be for. So I'm doing bored, so I'm just going to click here, and it will change the color to that. And then next we're going to click on this color over here, and then do the same. But then you're going to want to make this a bit lighter so it's more gradient, and then okay. And then that's that done, and then you turn the color reference back off, and then you just save it as a PNG and you're done. And you can just add these over the top of your Sims 4 screenshots. I really hope this tutorial was somewhat helpful for you. If you have any questions about something, just comment down below and I'll try and answer them if I do know the answer. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.